Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for coming back. If you guys want to see a video on this look right here, it is my winter look. So I think it should be before or after this video. I'll go ahead and leave it down in the description box. And let's just jump into today's video. So for today's video, I have somewhat of a haul, and this is basically things that I've picked up, things that I found on Amazon. So I kind of wanted to start a new series on my channel, which is Amazon finds, as far as like beauty or just things that I'm finding. So definitely let me know if you guys want to see that. Just leave me a comment down in the comment section and be sure to hit that like button. So the first thing that I got is something that I've already used on my face, and this is the Bare Minerals Bare Pro foundation, and my color is in hazelnut. And this foundation, I've heard like really good things about it, so I wanted to try it out. If you guys want to see an in-depth review, then just let me know. The next thing that I got is something that came out, I think, like yesterday or the day before. And this is from Benefit, and I had to like run and get my hands on it because I'm absolutely in love with Benefit mascaras. And this is the Bad Girl. And I basically just got two of them. One is a full size and one is a mini size. And, you know, you guys just stay tuned to my channels. Be sure you hit that subscription down below. So I might be having a giveaway soon. Next is something that I found at TJ Maxx. Now, I always go to TJ Maxx, but I never like really go to the beauty section. So lately I've been watching like a lot of hauls and stuff like that, and I see a lot of people buy things from TJ Maxx, like, you know, beauty products, and I'm like, man, like I gotta go. So today I went there and I kind of went a little bit too crazy. So the first two things that I got are these Real Technique brushes, and I haven't tried any of like this line of the Real Technique brushes. So this one is just a flat contour, and this one right here is a concealer. And both of these, like, each one was $3.99, so that's definitely a price you cannot beat. So I really cannot wait to like try these products out, and I might just end up getting the whole line. The next thing that I got was Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I found right here a blush kit, and this is in the color Gradient. So it has Vegas, Dust, Chocolate, and Blackberry, and this was $19.99. Contour cream kit, once again from Anastasia, and this is the deep one. So I ended up getting the cream contour because I'm really trying to get into cream contours. As you guys know, I don't cream contour, like I only powder contour, but I'm trying to get into the cream contour. So definitely gonna be, you know, trying this product out. So this other thing that I got, I was just like drawn to it because I was like, I was really surprised that they had it. And this is the lip palette, the volume 1. So these are like all the colors that it has, and this was $24.99. Like definitely not prices you like cannot beat at all. So the next thing that I got was from Ulta. Well, the first thing you guys saw, which was the Benefit mascara. The next thing that I got is a Morphe Beauty Blender because I've been hearing really good things about it and I wanted to try it out. It's dirty because I already used it. And the next thing that I got is the e.l.f. cream or coffee and cream highlighter, and this is Heart's highlighter. And I didn't know that Ulta carried e.l.f., but they said that they're gonna start carrying it, so I'm really excited. So I cannot wait to try this product out. And now I recently made a run to Sephora, so I went ahead and I got the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. Now I haven't tried any, you know, NARS foundations, but this foundation right here, I think it's like the new one. I absolutely fell in love with it. Like it dries like dewy. It's not super matte. It's not like, you know, like super sheer, but I absolutely love it. So if you guys want to see a video on this, then go ahead and let me know. And the last three things that I got is the Fenty Beauty lipsticks, the new ones. So the colors that I got are Clapback, which is just like a very deep color, and Freckle Fiesta, which is just like an orange, and Candy Venom. Now onto my favorite part of this video, and let me know if it ends up being one of you guys' favorite, is Amazon finds. As you guys know, I find everything and anything from Amazon. Like, I even buy groceries from Amazon. Like, that's how ridiculous it gets. So I absolutely love Amazon. So I decided like a couple weeks ago to start seeing, you know, they have like these little sections where they're like, you know, under $10, like what's popular beauty products. So I've kind of been going through it and buying things that I actually like I want. First thing that I got is actually this brush set right here. And I use some of the brushes and I absolutely love them. Like, the bristles are so soft. And this brush set, I believe, was 20-something dollars. I can't remember off the top of my head, but I'll definitely leave it down in the description box. And I'm just going to quickly show you guys how it comes. Brush sets, like, it just comes like that. Like, so it's so pretty. It's rose gold. And like I said, the bristles are like kind of white. And, you know, so I've already used once and washed one of them. And it doesn't like fall out or anything. So if you guys definitely want to see like an in-depth review of this, then go ahead and let me know. The next thing was this black opal setting powder. I actually saw this and I couldn't find it anywhere in store, so I went ahead and I picked it up. And then I also picked up a Maybelline Master Precise, like it's a eyeliner. And then I also picked up, this was like something that I saw that I really just wanted to try. It's by Music Flower and it's an eyebrow and eyeliner cream. So it comes with brown and black, and actually I used it on my brows today. So, you know, I really, really like it. So each one like comes with, actually let me just show you. It comes like this. Like, so for example, this is the brown one. And so the bottom is like the cream. And then when you pop open the top, it's the powder. So I really like that. It's really convenient and it comes with a brush. So I cannot wait to play with, you know, the black one and see how it goes on, because, you know, from the brown one, like, it goes on absolutely smooth. Like, it's so good. And one of the last two things that I got from Amazon was this little mini brush set, because when I ordered the eyebrow stuff, I didn't know it came with a brush, so I really wanted this brush right here. So it's just like a quick 3-pack, you know, for your eyebrows. And the last thing that I got is my favorite eyelashes, and I always get these from Amazon. The only thing I never used to like about them was they take like forever to, you know, come in shipment, but they actually started shipping them prime, because I mean, I can't do anything that's not prime, because I'm like, you want me to wait more than 2 days? Like, that doesn't work for me. So these are from China, I think, but they're just absolutely beautiful. Like, as you guys can see, they're just really, really wispy. And they're just beautiful. I'll definitely have everything that I bought, especially from Amazon, links down in the description box with their prices. And let me know if you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Be sure to let me know down in the comment section what you think of my Amazon finds that I should do, you know, once every couple of weeks or anything. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time.